welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Welcome if you're new, if you're an old subscriber or a recent subscriber. Thank you for coming back. And today I have a couple of packages that came in the mail. I wanted to hold everything and just show it to you in one shot, but the mail USPS is set up. I don't got time to wait or whatever. So as they come in, I'm gonna just show you what I got. So first, let's start off with this look. I don't know if you can see it from back here. So I pretty much use the Shea Rainbow palette. Is this what it's called? A rainbow palette. That's what I use to do my makeup today. And the colors I used, let it focus a little bit, is the orange row. So the whole row is what I used today, with an exception of like a light brown transition color. Everything was pretty much, you know, very pigmented. It blended really nice. I don't know if you can see. And then I put a glitter primer base from NYX on my lid, and then use that color. This color is very pretty because it has a shift to it. I was gonna do a tutorial, but I ended up running my mouth on my phone with my friend, so I didn't do the tutorial. Because at first I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just record it, put on mute, and just do a voiceover. But she got me talking and yapping, and then before I knew, I was already done. So I'm gonna do another look with it, and this time I'm actually record it for you guys. Anyways, package number 1. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. Did anybody go Black Friday shopping? No. I went, but I'm not gonna say I have everything. But you know, when you have everything, like there's nothing really appealing to you to get. Like, I don't know, I felt that way during Black Friday. I even went into Ulta. I went to Ulta, and they were doing like 25% or 30% off certain brands, like the Kylie, their store brand, and other little stuff, like, but it was nothing really. Like I wanted the Juvia's Place foundation, and it was regular $16. I'm like, where is the Black Friday sale? Oh, it's only on that stuff over there. Shut up. Anyway, so I didn't really get much. I should do a video on that. So within the box, this is how it comes. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. They got this black tissue paper folded neatly. And then my bill and return posted stamp if needs be. And then it has this black bubble wrap. I should have showed y'all, but whatever. This black bubble wrap that was wrapped around it. This other stuff. And hey, what? Whoa. Let it focus. Yay. So I got the Norvina Palette Pro Pigment. The Norvina Pro Pigment Palette 3. I had to get it cause I have the one. I love it so much. I love it so much, and it's cute cause look at the packaging. They got the butterflies, and it's pretty, and it's orange. So this pretty much gonna be like a reaction too, an unboxing reaction or whatever. It's wrapped around this protecting box or sleeve. And there she goes, super pretty with the gold butterflies. And if you open it up, it has the screen sheet, and then here you go. Can you see? Let it focus. How pretty these shades are. This is it gives me very fall. Like you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmers actually. And then the rest of it is like matte. And then you got some matte that got like sparkles in it or whatever. See? Like, I really love this palette. You could do a lot with this palette too. Like, they were saying that before and I didn't believe them, but like, you literally could do a lot with this palette. Every time I get on camera, my hair do what the hell it wants to. You can't do that. Anyway, so I will be doing looks with this. And again, I know these palettes came out a while ago. I'm not about that life, like just shooting out money for palettes, because this again was $60, although I still believe it's a good price considering how much the regular Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes go for and the amount of shades you're getting in this. Like 40, like it typically goes for like $45, so for $15 more, $60, and you get a bunch of shades and a bunch of different pops of colors that you could do whatever you want with it. You understand? So for anybody that's looking to purchase this palette, if you are still considering getting this palette, I think you should. I think you should, because it's such a great price point. The quality is good. Now mind you, yes, it's very pigmented. I love it and it's so pretty and I can't wait to use it. Look at that thing. Okay, so that was the one package. That my next palette is from Ulta. So it came in this bubble, you know, bubble envelope, and then my bill is inside, and my next palette is this. Whoa. This is the Jackie Aina palette. Jackie Aina palette. I love this palette because number one is Jackie Aina and you gotta support the girl. And then, because I've been watching her for a very long time and I love her content, I'm so happy she came out with a palette that was, I hate to sound cheesy, for us, by us. So the packaging is super duper nice. Like, it feels so nice. I love it. And the rainbow effect on it, I think it's super cute. And then again, they got that same little sleeve right here. And then we're gonna turn it upside. Oh, my brush. And these are the colors. I'm not gonna do any swatches or anything like that, because I know there's more than enough videos on YouTube with all that stuff. But I'm gonna tell you one thing: if you haven't got this, if you haven't considered buying this, you should, because in person these colors are gorgeous and they're very pigmented and they're super pretty. So without a doubt, and they got that shade right here. Trust issues. That shade right there. It's like a white, but it has gold in it, like a white gold. You can do some things. You can do some things with this color. So yeah, this is the palette I got. I love this palette. I love this palette. I will be doing a tutorial with this. I even love the box. I think I'm gonna just keep this bad boy in this box until I'm ready to take it out. I didn't take it out because it is gorgeous. So it's gonna stay right in here. But it's super pretty. The packaging, everything about it is beautiful. So that's that. And again, if I did swatches, we're gonna be here forever. I'm not doing no swatches. I'm not doing no swatches. Last but not least, I went into Ulta. So I didn't get a lot because I just got a few things. The first thing I got was the NYX, what is it? It's the glitter primer base for Perfectant Brilliance. It's just a NYX glitter primer, and it was $4.49, I think, at Ulta. And if you spend a certain amount, they gave you $5 off. So I was able to get 2. The other one is on my vanity, but Renaissance Flick. It's supposed to be a liner, and it's supposed to be super duper dark. I guess this is kind of old too, but a lot of people was talking about this liner, and it's from Makeup Revolution. It's still in the package. Everybody also says intense longwear black felt liner. So it's supposed to be the darkest of dark liners, and I needed something like this, so I forgot how much I brought it, but that's that. So got a matte liner, and this is from NYX. I should open it for you guys. This is it's a little tube, the glitter primer. It comes in a little tube like this. So yeah. Is it tacky? I actually used it for this look I got on today. I hope y'all like it, because I used I told you she's a rainbow palette. And I used that whole row of orange. This is the matte NYX liner. It's definitely matte. It comes on wet, but then of course when it dries down to a matte. So that's what I got. We'll say the swatch, but it's a tiny little line. It's tiny. I'm too far away from the camera. That's right. If I was sitting at my vanity, I probably would have did some swatches. So this is, oh, it is dark. Can you see it? It is kind of dark. Yeah, this thing is dark. It really is. And the reason why I like it as a pen, cause I use the brush ones. I prefer the brush ones, but sometimes when you on the go, you just need something to really quick. So that's why I got this one. And this one was supposed to be the darkest. And on my hand, it's looking that way. It's looking very dark. So next thing I got was the NYX liner base, but in white. I got this if I want to do like cut crease looks and, you know, incorporate like, I don't know. I think they had a promotion on this too. This is how it comes. And this is the white one. It doesn't say if it's matte or nothing. It looks like that. I don't know if you can see. And they had this lip plumping lip cream by Revlon. And it's supposed to be in the color Barely Blush. So this is what I got, and it was like 50% off. I believe it was like $1 and some change I got it for it. I think they were trying to get rid of this, so I walked in at the right time. It's cute, especially if you're not putting on makeup and you just want to put a little color to your lips. So I picked this one up. I'm guessing the price right. So in the bottom, there go my receipt. I thought I didn't even have it. So, elf liner. Oh, why is it coming up as elf? I didn't pick up no elf. I picked up NYX. The liners I got for $1.79. It looked like. Oh no, I got the liners for actually $6.72. What was NYX though? I don't even remember. Anyway, then I brought these two lip gloss. One of them is a Clear Shine, a Wet Look lip gloss from Essence. That's how it looks. And then the other one is Essence Shine Wet Lip Gloss, and this is how that look. I love colors like this because I could just put a brown lip liner on my lip and I'm out the door if I'm in a rush. And I got these two for, it's not on this one. So these two was for $2.24. So if you brought one, you got the other one 50% off, and it looked like they just gave me 50 off for both. Instead of me buying one and getting the second one 50% off. I need to go back to him more often. So these two I got. You can never go wrong with lip gloss. And last but not least, the Makeup Revolution Foil Palette. I love this palette only because sometimes I want to do matte, sometimes I want to do shimmer, sometimes the palette that I'm using may not have the shimmer that I really want. So I found this palette. I'm gonna let it focus. And this is the shimmers that's in them. All of them are, it's not even shimmer, it's like a foil. Yeah, that's why I picked it up. It was a foil shadow, and it's right up my alley because I love using foil. I love having something shiny on my lids, be that if it's glitter, if it's foil, shimmer, whatever. I need something sparkling. So I picked this up, and this was actually like, I think $7, regular price $9, and the colors are super pretty. See it? So yeah, so I picked this up as well. And I forgot to tell you, I finally got my lashes on. It's the short ones. I finally got my uncurling lash. I should have showed y'all, but I used it today. Anyway, and that's pretty much it. That's all for the haul. I have some more stuff coming in, and as it come in, I will show it to you guys. With the holiday in the schedule, give me a chance to let me shoot out these videos. I'm just working with whatever time I have. I appreciate you. For those of you that watched the movie, for those of you that watched this video to the end, drop an emoji, drop a rainbow emoji. Since this was a makeup collection with all types of colors, just drop a rainbow emoji so I can know that y'all watched it all the way to the end. I appreciate y'all, and stay tuned on the next one. Thank you. Bye.